Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Pranav from Assamese Tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss how to design in this mobile mockup in your computer without any Photoshop or the software. In this design, we will create in web web-based application named Photopea. So let's get started. First, you will need a screenshot which you use for mockup. Okay, uh, I will I will ready this screenshot. First, you go to the computer browser and search Photopea online photo editor. Click here, and in this browser based software like Photoshop, all features like Photoshop, like file, edit, image, layer, view, window. Here you select the new layer which you want. In this video, I'll select the 1280 into 720 pixel. In this way, you will select many which you want this kind of resolution other way. But in this video, we will create mobile mockup, which you the see this video. First open Photopea, and you will choose you should choose a template. You should choose a template. Here click template and search mobile mockup, or in the left side what is the category. Here is a mockup, mobile and video, prints, products, or you will search here. You can search here. Okay, in this left bar, mobiles and web. Here is many template, but I will choose a fourth template, which iPhone title to the left. Okay, this mockup. Here is a code which is this selected code. Please click here and load a new page. In new tab, load a new page. Loading. Please wait. Okay, the mockup is ready, which is a template. But here place your mockup here, which you want to make a mockup, mobile mockup. Click here and export a photo. Which you want to make mockup. Okay, I will open from computer. Click open and choose a file from your computer. Okay, open. It is photo. Drag to the smart object place. Okay, here and adjust. Click transform mode and adjust in full face. Okay, and click enter. After that, close the PSD file which you have opened. Okay, just click enter. Okay, and close the PSD and save as smart object, or you will paste Control and S in your keyboard, or save as a smart object. Okay, save smart object update. um, please close the tab and your mockup is ready. Okay, now you can download this mockup for your use. Here we'll create a mockup, assamstudycorner.com. This is our website. If you want to visit this website, type in your browser assamstudycorner.com. Here we provide free mock test for exam preparation and question papers, and solved question papers, recent examination, etc. Okay, now you can download this mockup for your use, or any kind of use. Okay, thank you. And also like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. In this channel we will upload design related videos. Okay, bye bye.